Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. You know how I mentioned, I don't know which video will come out first. Had to do some banana bread for my aunties. They love my muffins and breads that I make, and I always, like I say, take it to them when I make one or make a video. So I'm making the video because of them. Sometimes I make a video and take it over there, but this being reversed. I'm making some bread for them. Now I might well make a video for it. You let them have a video and I'll take the leftover. But anyway, enough confusion what I was just saying. So I'm making some banana bread. I'm not going to put no nuts in it. I'm going to just make a simple bread. That's what my Aunt Ora loves and my Aunt Millie as well. So anyway, very simple recipe, y'all. This thing don't require any mixer. And it's so good. And I got to see how I'm going to sample this without messing up the bread. Because I got to split it in half. But that means somebody, they feuding siblings. How many he give you? Or how many yours, your bag heavier than mine? They do that, y'all. They do that. So I got to make sure everything evens out. So anyway, I got some bananas here, y'all. I got mashed up. This is about 4 bananas. Make sure they're really white. Of course, y'all know the riper the banana, the sweeter it is. Y'all know them bananas y'all had over there for the last 2 weeks turning black on you. It's time to make some banana bread with it, y'all. Y'all keep putting it off. Time to make some banana bread. Let's get moving. So anyway, I got some couple of eggs here. We're gonna put in here. Throw that in there. Got a little vanilla there. A little butter. Do a little whisk here. I'm gonna whisk that up there as much as possible, y'all. Like I say, y'all, this is so easy. Whisk that up just like that. In another bowl here, I got some AP flour, a little salt. We're gonna dump our sugar in there. Some baking soda. We're using baking soda because the acid from the banana is going to help this rise, y'all. You know, anytime you use baking soda, you got to have some acidity in it. It's something like lemon juice, orange juice, buttermilk. Something like that to help activate the baking soda. A lot of people don't realize that. Go back and look at every recipe you have that require baking soda. There's some kind of acidity in it to help it activate. If not, it ain't going to rise. It's a little pro tip for y'all. So the acid from the banana going to help this rise. Okay. We're going to put that in there like that. We're going to kind of just mix this together. As so. You see there's no milk in this, no nothing, y'all. We're just going with it just like this. Just like this, y'all. Look at that. See that? Easy that is, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Nothing easier than banana nut bread, y'all. I think that's one of them old recipes them old folks come up with. Get rid of, like I said, them old bananas. Didn't have no milk. Had a little flour. I said, we'll just make a banana bread out of it. That's what we're doing. So we're going to pour this into my I almost say casserole dish. Hey, you put it in the casserole dish you want to, it'll work. Ain't gonna hurt it. Ain't gonna hurt it one bit. But one time we'll use a loaf pan, y'all. We'll use a loaf pan. Okay. Spread that around. We got our oven preheated for 325 degrees. It's gonna take about 50 minutes to an hour to cook. But come back, we'll have a nice, delicious, moist banana bread. Old school style. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Banana bread is out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool a little bit here. Probably about 15, 20 minutes or so. Come back, take it out, do that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and we're going to try to slice this up where, where I can split it up. Split it up evenly between my two aunties. Half gonna get, I'm gonna cut it in half, and I got some cranberry orange muffins. I don't know what the video gonna come out before or after this, but I got some cranberry orange muffins to go with this as well for them to have. Like I said, I love baking. Whenever I bake, I give it away, especially to my aunties. They're loving it. A couple of my neighbors here, and then a couple of my friends that love my cakes and pies. So, anyway, I'm going to let this kind of cool off a little bit, and we'll be right back for the taste test. Old school banana bread. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Oh, this thing is still hot. I've let it set up 20 minutes, and it's still hot, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. And I cut it there, and I got to somehow get it back together where it's even. But anyway, we're going to get us some butter slices on here. I got my my pound butter here that I get from Restaurant Depot. And it gives you a whole, you can get a whole slice of butter like that. Look at that. Don't hate. Don't hate on me. Don't judge me. Like I say, don't hate what? Appreciate. So anyway, let's get this out the way. Yeah, y'all, that's butter. That ain't cream cheese. Cut this bad boy in half. Oh, yeah. That butter's melted on there nicely, y'all. There's nothing like warm banana bread, right? Warm banana bread. Of course, you can put nuts in here as well. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Take a bite. Take a bite. Go in here. That, a cup of coffee, y'all, some tea, a glass of Kool-Aid, whatever you eat. Nice and moist, buttery, with extra butter. Ain't go wrong, y'all. My aunt is gonna love this. I ain't know it. She can eat the whole thing, actually. To be honest. Be honest. She can eat the whole banana bread. So, I'm going to show y'all a little quick bread. I think I showed this to y'all before. But, hey, for the new users, new family members, they probably ain't seen it yet. So, I'll share it with them. So, anyway, y'all. Let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.